Hey guys, everybody's Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I want to talk about two things. I want to talk about new features coming to the AirPods lineup with iOS 16, and I also want to talk about the latest beta for the AirPods firmware. So AirPodOS firmware beta 1, which by the way was released alongside iOS 16 beta 1, but I didn't really want to talk about it because it was quite buggy at first. Now that iOS 16 is sitting in beta 2, things are a little better. So we're going to take a look at some of the latest new features and changes coming to the AirPods lineup with iOS 16 and the latest AirPods beta and what's new with that as well. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, the AirPods that are going to be supported by the latest new features includes AirPods 2nd generation, AirPods 3rd generation, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Max. Now, if we pop open our AirPods cases with iOS 16, the first thing you'll notice is a brand new menu specifically for AirPods. So as you can see right there, AirPods 3rd generation, I can go in here and I see important information, things like the battery for the AirPods, the battery on the case, rename my AirPods, ear detection, on and off toggle. We also have connect to iPhone automatic options. We also have a brand new spatial audio, so personalized spatial audio experiences here with iOS 16. We have microphone options, optimized battery charging options, find my network, accessibility features, model number information, connect and disconnect, forget device. So everything that you need in one single place. So one menu for the AirPods is now available within iOS 16, which is totally new. Now, we do not have the option to automatically check for new firmware updates for AirPods. I'm hoping this will come in future betas or future software updates and firmware updates for iOS 16 and AirPods here. But let's take a look at the personalized spatial audio experience, because Apple has done something quite interesting this time around. You have the ability here to scan your head, pretty much your face and your head, for a better spatial audio experience, more personalized spatial audio experience. If we tap continue here, the Face ID camera activates and you can put your face in front of the camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and set that up right now. So let's go ahead and start here. Once you're done scanning your face, you click continue, right ear scan. So now you have the ability to actually scan your right ear with the FaceTime camera or the Face ID camera here in order to capture the shape of your ear, which is quite interesting. Let me go ahead and do that now. So once you scan your right ear, you click continue, and then it goes to your left ear. And once you scan your left ear, it is completed, and now you have a personalized audio, spatial audio listening experience. It's quite interesting that Apple is using the Face ID camera to actually scan your face, the shape of your ears, for a better, more personalized spatial audio listening experience. That's something that's totally new with the latest AirPods firmware update. Now, as I mentioned before, there is a new beta for AirPods that was released with iOS 16 beta 1, and this was released on June 7th, so a day later pretty much. And I didn't really want to talk about it because it was still buggy, as I mentioned before. But once you install the new beta, there's something called automatic switching. So if you're listening to music on your iPhone, for example, and then you switch over to your Mac to do something on your Mac, maybe continue watching a video on your Mac that you were watching on your iPhone, your AirPods have the ability to automatically detect that you're switching over to another device. This was a little buggy within the latest AirPods firmware. It looks like Apple continues to improve auto switching between AirPods here in iOS 16 with the latest beta, as you can see right here. Now, I do have a video demonstrating how to install AirPods beta firmware. If you want to do that, I don't recommend it. Again, beta firmware isn't the best on AirPods right now, but it is intended to improve and debug the firmware on the AirPods and bring future features to the AirPods here in the near future. And that's everything I wanted to share with you guys in terms of the beta. Apple is working on improving the automatic switching between devices on AirPods, and these are some of the latest new features coming to AirPods, and by the way, some Beats products with iOS 16 here in the near future. Let me know what you think about some of these features, these changes coming. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.